Her tears fell. They fell on vacant land and she could no longer cast her love spell. She was emotionally bruised and could no longer provide for her kids as well. Walls of courage broke down and she became the laughing stock. She was bruised and could no longer talk or walk. She stayed just for the sake of her kids. Feelings died along with her pride. At the end, her hand was forced. She sacrificed her dignity. It's a pity cause she was trying to protect herself from the German hands. She loved him dearly. At the very start, he broke her legs and her heart. She blamed herself for taking his life because she's a woman. So every time she got beaten by him, people blamed her. They always said, "Ubengeka amsukele, amshaye kushuthi umfebele." Please understand that a woman is fragile with an agile mind. She is one of a kind, and behind her smile hides a broken soul. Bones broken, still hoping, so convinced he'll change. I agree, some men are strange, things will never change. See, umenza isikipha somsebenzi njalo ekuseni umgaxa ibheji sekwanele ngokuhlukunyezwa ngomzala abantu ngoba sikhona la emhlabeni kwenza labantu Zulu Vibes. Wait.